We're not just a manufacturing company. We're not a luxury goods company. We're historians. And that's why I love restoring these antique pocket watches, making them wristwatches. A while back, someone brought us a pocket watch, like people do, a family heirloom. But this one was different. It had a black dial, it was a 24-hour watch, not 12, and it was a little larger. We learned that it was called the Master Navigator's Watch. Our customers say, this is the coolest watch on the planet.
This is an actual relic from American history that was used to help win World War II.
It was commissioned by the U.S. Army Air Corps during World War II for use by the navigators on the B bombers. Something that we learned that speaks to the rarity of these watches now is that when you flew a B-17 Flying Fortress over Nazi Germany, you only had about a 50% chance of landing safely.
Today, most of these pocket watches, the ones that survived, are sitting in a drawer gathering dust. What we do is we restore it and make it functional again. And we make it so people can appreciate it and be proud of the American heritage and wear it on their wrist every day.
We preserve as much of the history of it as we can. The original dial, hands, and movement are all inside the wristwatch that we manufacture.
We don't modify any of the original mechanism. You could take the movement straight out of that case and put it back in its original pocket watch case to maintain the provenance of the watch and to maintain the historical integrity.
Even though we make 50 pieces in our limited edition, they are all one of a kind. They all have their own stories.
When I think about the journey that this watch has been on, from the skies over Nazi Germany to someone's wrist, it's lived such an incredible life up to this point, and you can be responsible for giving it the respect that it deserves for this new chapter.
The most important thing to know about the military edition is that it's only available on one day a year, and that's Veterans Day. November 11th at 12 noon Mountain Time, we put 50 of these up for sale, and typically they sell out almost instantly. Make sure you go to vorticwatches.com/military to learn more.